Hello, Unity Baptist Church. My name is Diana Ferrell, and I'm your missionary in Uganda, East Africa. Some of you may not know me, but Unity Baptist Church is my home church. I grew up in Ashland, Kentucky, and graduated from Paul Blazer High School back in the day. I won't tell you how old I am. I've been serving here in Uganda, East Africa, for the last 19 years. In fact, this past Friday, we had a celebration of those 19 years of service here in Uganda. And if you look on our Facebook page, you'll be able to see some of those pictures and videos, and you'll be able to enjoy them. I serve with Global Outreach International from Tupelo, Mississippi. And like I said, I've been here 19 years. Some of the things that I do here is training with the local church. We train women, men, and youth in wise choices for life, which is reproductive health. We help them to understand that poverty is caused by not having a plan, and we try to help them know that God has a plan for their lives. We talk to youth, women, and men, and they help them to understand how to plan a family, also how their bodies work, and how they can even help in the community. The other training that we do is called trauma healing. It's from the American Bible Society for here in Africa. Uganda, as well as other places, have seen a lot of trauma from war and different terrible atrocities, and even just from domestic violence, there's trauma. So we go into the communities and help teach them about forgiveness, the forgiveness that Christ gives them, as well as being able to forgive themselves and forgive others. So those are the two big ones that we do. We also do evangelism, reaching out into the community. We do charity work there. A couple of weekends ago, we cleaned the Health Center 4 in Bugembe, which is a neighboring town here to Jinja. And that was a blessing to them to see that we want to help in the community. We also do community health outreaches. We try to do 4 times in a year. So many things that we're doing to help in spread the gospel and to help people know about Christ. Our tagline is sharing Christ and impacting communities, and that's what we're doing. I hope one day this COVID will be over so that you all can come and see us. Go and like us on Facebook, we're there. On Instagram, we're there. We also have a YouTube page. So many things that you can see what we're doing. And we do all of this with your help. We cannot do it without you. We thank you for that. For all that is done, we really do appreciate you. Thank you so much.